Are you tired of this old school look for your sockets? Let me show you a way to organize those. Check out the set from GOACC. These things are so freaking cool. These are magnetic to the extent that they will stick on a wall. I'll show you that in a second. But what a great, cool way to organize your sockets. What do you say we set them up real quick so you can see what they're like set up? Whoa, time out. Let me show you how this magnet works first. All right, so you could tell me below why you would want to do this, but how freaking cool is that? I guess if you wanted to mount your sockets on the wall, you could do that, but I'm gonna mount them. Ugh, I can't even get it off. Wow. I'm gonna knock everything over getting this thing off. Oh, got it off. I will say the one obvious plus size to the magnetic base is when you put it in the drawer, it's gonna just be like, bam, locked down, which when I used to race cars and we travel all over the country, so this will be really nice to keep things from migrating all over the toolbox. What do you say we fill it up with some tools, see what they look like? Okay, these things are so freaking cool. Look how nicely organized they are. It's really cool. They're so solid, much easier to access than that old school version. Plus, the big plus is, see these smaller ones never really fit on those sticks because they're so small in diameter. So this works perfectly for even the smaller sockets fit here really well. Additionally, the Thunk, when you put it in the box, check this out, is so rewarding. This little Thunk is like, bam. Yeah, these things are absolutely genius and you should definitely get yourself a set. I do need to remind you, they were provided to me, but they gave me no instructions. They're just like, we think these things are cool, demonstrate them. I just did it. And I'm telling you, you need to get these. There's a link here on the screen. There's one down in the description below. Please use those links if you can. Helps out the channel a little bit. Oh, speaking of this, if I've added some value, please like the video, follow the channel. If you have any additional ideas on how to use these, I'm sure there's some creative, cool ways to use these. I don't really use 1/2-inch drives, so I have these around. I'm trying to figure out something cool to do with them. If you have something cool to do with these, put it in the comments below. Let me know. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.